Four, three, two, one, and start.
Alrighty, hello everybody. My name is Romacio Fulcher, Diamond Consultant in Organo Gold, and I want to welcome all of you guys, first of all, to the family of Organo Gold. As you noticed, our company is growing really fast. We're now in 22 countries, and we're so proud to be in partnership with you that we've actually are going to be doing some videos here to really make sure that you, the new person, kind of know exactly what it is you should be doing. First of all, I want to share with you that in no way, shape, or form are any of these videos designed to undermine the four-step system that has been compiled and composed by Mr. Holton Buggs. And so, guys, there's a system that we have in place. It's the 4 steps. So before I go any further, I want to make sure that you, the new person, are aware that we have a 4-step system. Where can you find that? You can simply go to coffeeallovertheworld.com, click on training, and you'll see right there the 4 steps, okay? But we also know that even though we have a 4-step system, you, the new person, has a lot of questions oftentimes on how to do this and how to do that. And so what we're doing here is we're putting together a lot of different videos, short videos, where you can actually be able to physically see exactly how to do a particular thing in our business, okay? And so again, this is designed for you. There's going to be a lot of videos here for you to go ahead and just kind of scroll through and pick and choose which one you need to watch and learn, and that way you can know exactly what us diamonds are doing. You don't have to feel like because you live in some country or small city that you're being left behind, okay? So with that, guys, we're going to have a lot of fun here. Again, there's going to be a lot of videos, but I guarantee you, each and every single one will be extremely valuable for you. Now, before I go ahead and get started, I feel that it's necessary that I share a little bit about myself. Some of you may know me, some of you may not. Again, the name is Romacio Fulcher, and I've been in Organo Gold now for about 2.5 years. And I want to share with you my story of why it is I got involved in this business, because just to let you know that I'm no different than you. It was about 2.5 years ago, I got a call from the Vice President of Sales, Mr. Holton Buggs, and he introduced me to the concept. He told me it was about coffee and told me I should take a look at it. At the time, I wasn't a coffee drinker, and believe it or not, I'm still not a coffee drinker now. And but the concept made sense. He said our coffee was healthier, it was cheaper, and it tastes good. And I thought to myself, everybody that I know, they drink coffee. And so me not being a coffee drinker, I was kind of curious on how this was going to work for me. But Mr. Buggs' background was literally impeccable. The guy is just a multi-millionaire. And I felt very fortunate to be in partnership, ground floor, on a business venture with him. And so needless to say, I got started 2.5 years ago. And I remember he said, listen, all I want you to do is give away the coffee for free, which we're going to talk about that in these videos. But I gave away all the coffee that I purchased. I gave it away for free. And many of my neighbors, they tried it, they liked it. And next thing you know, people came back to buy more. Well, I duplicated that same process all around the world. I mailed free samples to Oakland, San Francisco, Chicago, Hawaii. I just simply mailed free samples. That's all I did is follow the system, okay? And within 1 week, between myself and 5 other people, we had 263 people that actually purchased this coffee. Some buying it as a customer and some buying it as a distributor. But collectively, that was 263 orders that totaled $80,000 of sales my very first week in this business. Now, because of legality reasons, I can't tell you how much I made, but here's what I can tell you. It was well over 5 figures the first week. And so obviously I had a huge success story my very first week. That was 2.5 years ago. Now today, we literally do millions and millions and millions of dollars of coffee sales right from my own home. Cell phone and a laptop. I don't have any employees, no workers' comp, no insurances, right from home. And I have to say, guys, none of that would have been possible for me if I wasn't following the guidance of my leader, my mentor and coach, Mr. Holton Buggs. And so I have the utmost respect for him. I'm very fortunate, very privileged to be in this company and to be sharing this information with those of you watching it, because we do not want you to get left behind. Okay? And so with that, there you have it, guys. That's my story. That way you know a little bit about me, and I'm sure hopefully I get a chance to see you very soon and meet you in person, okay? There you go.